Hello friends, welcome to my channel Tech Yagam, and in today's video I will show you how to install Linux Mint Cinnamon in VMware Workstation 15 player, which is the free one, not the pro one. So now let's get started. First we will install VMware 15 player from this website. I have already downloaded it, so I will show you from where to download. Here scroll down and click download now. I have already downloaded it. You can download it from here. Once you have downloaded the file, we will install the program now. Here it is in my downloads and I will open it. Here I will click yes. It will take some time. Here you can see the setup has started. So now I will click next. I accept the terms. Next. And here we don't need the enhanced keyboard driver, but if you want, you can do it. It takes reboot, so there is no need of it because normal keyboard also works. Here the installation file was there, and now here I will click next. These are the shortcuts where the app shortcuts will be there, and now click next. And when I will click install, it will take some time.
So here you can see VMware Workstation 15 player has been installed. Now I will click finish. Here after going to desktop, we will here tap open VMware Workstation 15 player. If you have made a shortcut from the desktop, otherwise you can go from the start menu also. So here you can see the app has been installed, and here if we have to install Linux Mint, so I will click on create a new virtual machine, and here I will click browse, first installer disk image and browse, and here I will click Linux Mint which I downloaded. So now I will click next. I have given the link in description, you can download from there. So now I will tap here Linux and select the version as other Linux 5x or later kernel, or we can choose 4x also. These three we can choose from any. I am choosing 4x as it is more compatible. So now I will click next. Here I will rename the machine as Linux Mint and browse the location. I have made a different drive for to install and it is an HDD, so it is little slow. Here I will click next. I will choose the space as my HDD size is 128 GB, so I will give it 125 GB and let it be multiple files. The virtual machine runs more faster. Here I will click next. And before finishing it, we will go to customize hardware and choose the memory as 3072 MB, which is 3 GB. Minimum 3 GB is required so the machine runs smooth. Here whatever it is, let it be the same, and I will click close and finish. As below Linux Mint, when we start the machine, it directly goes to the preview mode. So I will switch on the machine and then I will start the Linux Mint installation. We can preview the machine also. Like here, this is power off, log out, and these apps are also there if you want to preview the machine. Otherwise, now I will install the Linux Mint. So I will tap here. It will take some time. Here the default language is English. If you want to change the language, you can select it from here. But I want English only, so I will tap continue here. Let it be the default. And according to the language, the keyboard will also come. So if you have chosen another language, keyboard will come accordingly. Otherwise, it is English US. So I will click continue. And here you can install multimedia codecs, but I am not doing it. Continue. It will take some time. So now I will tap erase disk and install Linux Mint. When it is green, it means that your this option is being selected. I will tap install now and continue. It will install Linux Mint on all the hard drive which you have selected for VMware. Now here this has detected my location. It is in I am in India, so I can type here India and tap continue. You can type any other country like America or South Africa or any other place like Punjab. So I am writing here India and continue. And here I will write my computer's name like Techieagam and username and the computer's name, your name and username, it will be default. You can change it like Techieagam. I can change the username and here I will put a password. Any password you can put. It should be minimum 8 characters. Here if tick has come, so it means that both the password are same, and you can here choose we have to log in automatically or if we have to require the password. And we can also encrypt the home folder, like their computer is there, we can encrypt that. So here everything has come. Now I will click continue and the machine will install. Now we can see Linux Mint has been installed, and now I am restarting because if when I will restart, then only the machine will install properly. Here I will just press enter. It will automatically remove. I will here enter my password. Here I will enter my password. That was the old one. And press enter here I will. It will take some time and the machine will load. As I have installed it in HDD, so it is taking time. Otherwise, if you install in HDD, it will just launch in seconds. So here you can see Linux Mint has been installed, and like if we want to change the resolution automatically, of the machine, here I will open terminal and type this line sudo apt-get install open VM tools. I will show you. Here I will cross this. If you want, you can set up. Here I will open terminal. Make sure you are connected to the internet. Here I will type sudo apt -get install open -vm -tools. Do this only if resolution is not changing automatically like mine. So I will tap here enter. I will tap my laptop's or Linux Mint password which we made in the setup. and enter. It will take some time. I will type Y and press enter. It is installing. Now you can see it has been installed. I will close the terminal and minimize and maximize it again. Here you can see it has been installed, and I will run it in full screen also. All the apps are working. This is my computer folder. This is the file system folder, and these are all the apps. So now you have seen the instructions, and if you face any problems you can comment. If you find my video useful, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks.